Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, this is part two. So, who are you, Professor? Well, I told you my name is Professor J. In order to do this, I want to think when you meet somebody, you should ask some questions, right? So, let's ask some questions to get to know. Now, I don't know if you can ask questions in English. So, these are the answers you see. Older brother Joseph, Jocelyn Stoker, Professor J is okay, 10 years, United States, 아니요, Sumjang, one dog, Ruby Sue, son Elian, yes, 36 years, Missoula, Montana. These are the answers. What are the questions? So I will give you some photo hints to help you think about the questions. First, what is the question? What is your name? Now you remember the answer. My name is Jocelyn Weber Stoker or Professor J. Can you think of the question? There's a passport. Ooh, American flag. So where are you from? I'm from America. I'm American. Hmm, this is a pretty picture. That's me. And looks like a house. Oh, home. So, what is your hometown? What is your hometown? I am from Missoula, Montana originally. I was born in Missoula, Montana in USA. So, this is Montana. A lot of mountains, really good hiking and fishing, but there's not many people. It's really countryside. So there's no big cities, and maybe university students feel like it's a little bit boring. Unless you really like hiking and fishing, then you will be happy. How about this question? What is the question? Hmm, are you young? Are you old? How old are you? The answer was 36. I'm 36 years old. I'm almost 37 years old now. Yes, his name is Peter. Oh, look, this looks like wedding rings. So the question is, are you married? Are you married? Yes, I am married. His name is Peter. And he was a teacher in Hayang. So if you went to Muhak Chunhakyo in Hayang, maybe Peter teacher was your teacher. How about this question? Older, hint, older. So this is, do you have any brother or sister? Yes, I have one brother. He is older than me, and his name is Joseph. Son, Elian, Eli. Do you have children? So yes, I have children. This is my son Eli, and actually I have a video. This is Eli. He is in a door jumping toy. So it's like a swing for babies, and he can jump around. He's so cute. That's Eli jumping. Okay, that's enough. And here is, oops, here's another video of Eli, just quickly. Because he is so cute. We are playing Peekaboo. It's a game. Peekaboo. Where's Eli? Peekaboo. He really likes this game. It's really cute. He smiles and laughs. Okay, so that's enough. You will see many pictures and videos of Eli because I like to share about my son. I really love him and he's so cute. So this question is about one dog, Ruby Sue. So you can see the dog. This is Eli when he was only 1 month old. The question is, do you have a pet? Yes, I have one dog, and her name is Ruby Sue. 2010. Oh, here is me. I am in Pohang at Dongji Boys Middle School in Pohang, and here's Korean flag. So, how many years have you been in Korea? How long have you lived in Korea? So I came in 2010. So I have been here 10 years now in Korea. It's 2020 now. 10 years I have lived in Korea. How about this one? This is Hangul question. Can you speak Korean well? Do you remember the answer? 아니요. 한국말 못해요. I don't speak Korean well. I can speak a little bit, and if I have some trouble with something in class, we can use a cell phone to translate. So we all have our phones, and we can go to Google Translate, or Naver Translate, or something, and just type in, oh, I don't understand this question. So we can use the cell phone to translate in class if we have some problem. Don't worry, it'll be okay. How about this one? Samjang. I really like samjang. So what is your favorite Korean food? What is your favorite Korean food? What Korean food do you like most? I love samjang, and I will eat samjang together with meat or with carrots or not with a spoon, just together with some other food. But I think samjang is the best Korean food. When I go home to visit my parents, in my suitcase, I always have a box of samjang. So it's really delicious. Now, how about you? I want to hear about you. So this is your second homework assignment. I want you to write the answers for these questions on a paper. So about you. What is your name? What is your name? Write down, get a paper and write down the answer. What is your hometown? Where are you from? What is your hometown? Are you from Daegu, from Hayang, from Ulsan, from Seoul? Where are you from? How old are you? I am 22 years old. Please write the whole sentence. Please write the whole sentence. It will be good later if you write the whole sentence. I am 20 years old. I am 21 years old. Are you married? Yes, I am married. No, I am not married. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one younger sister. Yes, I have one older brother. No, I don't have any brothers or sisters. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have fish. No, I don't have any pets. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is chicken. My favorite food is galbi. What is your favorite food? What is your hobby? My hobby is walking with my dog. My hobby is playing guitar. My hobby is playing computer games. My favorite game is uh, Overwatch, or I don't know. What is your favorite game? So then I want you to make a video. You can just use your cell phone. You can use Kakao, make a video. Just use your camera to make a video. Or if you want to use your laptop computer like this, make a video. That's okay. But please make a video and tell me the answers to the questions. So, how old are you? I am 20 years old. Okay, like this. Please tell me the answers to the questions you just wrote down. Then send me the video. Please send me the video. This is homework assignment number 2. Send me the video. You can use Kakao. Remember, my cell phone number is on your paper, or you can email me a link. So remember, you have 2 assignments for today. Number 1, buy your textbook, English First Hand. And number 2 is make a 1 or 2 minute video to answer the questions. Email me the link to the video So if you are beginner conversation, your textbook is English firsthand, and if you are intermediate speaking, then your textbook is Pathways. Please buy your textbook and please email me the video or send Kakao the video. Please tell me your class and time. So, hi, Professor. I am class Tuesday at 9 o'clock. Here is my video. Okay, thanks guys. I hope you have a great week and I will send you some more video material for next week's class. Bye.